That is Max Verstappen, the race leader, and he has spun coming down the hill. Verstappen has lost the lead to Hamilton by spinning out. Here's the onboard, down the inside he goes.
What an idiot! What an idiot!
That was Esteban Ocon.
I think when you're a lap behind, you should not be attacking the leader into the apex of turn 2.
Ocon's on super soft tyres. If he's got the pace, then he is allowed, within the regulations, to unlap himself. That's not a problem, but
He's not entitled to drive into the side of the race leader.
Calm yourself down for the moment, Max.
Yeah, I made massive floor damage.
I don't think I need to comment what happened. Can leave me space there.
Force India team principal, Otmar, how do you view that?
I don't think Max left him any room, and he knew he was there.
And Esteban Ocon has been given a 10-second stop-go penalty for causing a collision.
I don't know what to say, mate. I do not know what to say about that.
Yeah, I know what to say. I hope I can't find him now in the paddock, because then he has...
I mean, you do everything well. I mean, you go through the field, we had a great car, and then by such an idiot, you get taken out while he's being lapped. I don't know what to say. Still, I mean, I'm happy for second, but we should have won today.
I mean, he is allowed to unlap himself at least.
No, I know. But, I mean, you can't crush the leader, can you? It's not doing anything crazy.
Yeah, what happened with Max, clearly, I came out of the box. You know, the first lap I stayed behind. The second lap, the team said, oh, you can unlap yourself if you want. So I went around the outside, but yeah, clearly he didn't, you know, give me enough space. Max, I was side by side, so I couldn't disappear. And then I saw he turned, and we went to collision. But what I'm really surprised of is his behavior after the race. We went on the scale, started to punch me, wanted to punch me and stuff, and this is not professional. You know, he can be upset, but if you are leading the race, you have to control it, you know, and today, yeah, I mean, I got the penalty, but I have to review the image. I was side by side to me. I think it was my corner, and that was it.
Of course, you know, you can unlap yourself, but you have to take caution, and you clearly didn't, and you got a penalty for it, so I guess that says enough.
And obviously, you went to see him after the race as well. What was said? Did he try to apologise to you?
No, he gave a really stupid response. Yeah, I think we're all passionate, so those things happen.